Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix can't activate developer mode on Bambu Lab A1 Mini, enable root access guide. Fix 1. Update the printer firmware. First connect the printer to Wi-Fi, then open settings on the touchscreen. Next, go to the firmware update and install the latest firmware if an update is available. After that, restart the printer after the update. Fix 2. Enable LAN only mode first. Open settings, then go to WLAN/network and then from there turn on LAN only mode and restart the printer. Now return to the same menu and check if developer mode is now available. Fix 3. Restart the printer. Turn the printer off, then wait for about 30 seconds. Then turn it back on and check the network settings again for the developer mode option. Fix 4. Verify the printer is connected to the network. Make sure the printer is connected to the same local Wi-Fi network. Avoid guest or isolated Wi-Fi networks, then reconnect to Wi-Fi if necessary. Then restart your router if the connection is unstable. Fix 5. Toggle LAN only mode off and then back on. If the developer mode option still doesn't appear or the LAN access code shows all zeros, turn LAN only mode to off. Then wait for a few seconds and turn it back on again. Now restart the printer again. This often refreshes the LAN access code and enables developer mode. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.